Lucas Peruganan Luke Bersamin, born October 18, 1949, is a Filipino lawyer and jurist who has served as the 40th Executive Secretary of the Philippines under President Bongbong Marcos since 2022. He previously served as the 25th Chief Justice of the Philippines from 2018 and 2019 and as an Associate Justice from 2009 to 2018. A graduate of University of the Philippines, Diliman, and the University of the East College of Law, Bersamin entered the judiciary in 1986 when he became a trial court judge in Quezon City. In 2003, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo appointed Bersamin to the Court of Appeals before she elevated him to the Supreme Court in 2009. President Rodrigo Duterte appointed him Chief Justice in 2018 before leaving the court a year later. After his departure, he chaired the government service insurance system from 2020 to 2022 before being appointed as the Executive Secretary under President Marcos. Bersamin graduated as valedictorian from Colegio del Sagrado Corazon in Banged in 1961 for his elementary education and from St. Joseph Seminary, also in Banged, in 1965 for his secondary education. He earned his undergraduate political science degree from the University of the Philippines, Diliman, in 1968 and graduated from the University of the East College of Law in 1973. He placed 9th in the 1973 bar examinations, with an average of 86.3%. He was then named a Fellow at the Commonwealth Judicial Education Institute in Dalhousie University in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada. Bersamin was in private practice from 1974 until 1986, when he was appointed a trial court judge in Quezon City by President Corazon Aquino. Bersamin was a professor at the Ateneo de Manila Law School, the University of the East College of Law, and the University of Santo Tomas Faculty of Civil Law. He was special lecturer at the College of Law, University of Cebu in 2006. He continues to lecture for the Philippine Judicial Academy. In March 2003, Bersamin was elevated to the Court of Appeals by President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. In April 2009, Bersamin was elevated by President Arroyo to Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. Bersamin was one of the associate justices who voted in favor of the Quo Warranto petition against Maria Lourdes Sereno, which led to the appointment of Teresita Leonardo de Castro as new Chief Justice of the Philippines, replacing Maria Lourdes Sereno. President Rodrigo Duterte appointed Bersamin as the new Chief Justice on November 26, 2018, succeeding Teresita de Castro. On February 6, 2020, Bersamin was appointed by Duterte to be the chairperson of the Government Service Insurance System (GSIS) and a member of the agency's Board of Trustees. He will serve the unexpired term of former GSIS President Jesus Clint Aranas, which ended on June 30, 2020. Executive Secretary? Bersamin was appointed by President Bongbong Marcos as his executive secretary, as confirmed by Press Secretary Trixie Cruz Angeles on September 27, 2022. On May 22, 2025, President Marcos ordered members of his cabinet to tender their courtesy resignations in the aftermath of the 2025 midterm elections. Bersamin complied, but he says Marcos declined his courtesy resignation. 16. Bersamin is married to the former Aurora A. Bagares, a business proprietress with whom he has 3 children, Pia Cristina, Luis Isidro, and Lucas Real Jr. He is the brother of Congressman Luis Chito Bersamin Jr. of Abra, who was gunned down in 2008 during a wedding ceremony, and of Abra Governor Tackett Bersamin. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.